Hey Scrappy friends, Helen here. Thanks for joining me again on my channel today. Today I'll be playing with my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit, scrapping some pictures of Mr. Ding and I from just before Christmas. So we're taking a break from the boys today. Just before we get to the layout, if you're not already a subscriber, please think about giving that subscribe button a click. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like and let me know in the comments what you've enjoyed. And if you're not sure what to say, just pop an emoji. This layout's about breakfast and lunch and coffee, so let's see what you can find for the emojis for one of them. That out of the way, let's get scrapping.
So this is my kit, just showing you the alphas, and then bits from the kit there. These are the photos I'm scrapping. It's myself at breakfast in cafe in Warrington, and it's Mr. Ding at lunch in a cafe in Mostyn. Same day. We decided when we'd had breakfast, we weren't ready to go home yet. What should we do? And I just thought, well, let's go up to Abercan Crafts Mostyn Mill and go have lunch. So that's what we did. We drove up to Mostyn and had a sandwich after our breakfast. So I have the orange background paper here from my How to Kill a Kit kit, and I am just gutting a 9-inch square out the middle. Give me a 1.5-inch frame to fix the pattern paper, the plain paper to the white cardstock. I end up not doing any mixed media on this, so I really could have just used some basic white rather than my mixed media white. So I'll think about that next time. Could have used my American Crafts lightweight stuff. So learned from struggling in the past on getting these straight, and I've used wet glue, give me some wiggle room to get it straight. I've then paused the video to go and sort out what's on my computer on YouTube, that I'm watching whilst I'm scrapping, and forgot to hit go again. So I've taken 3 of the pattern papers. So we already had that 9-inch square from the orange. I've cut 3 1-inch strips out of that. I've then cut 3 1-inch strips out of the green and the blue. I think the green was 9.25 inch and the blue was 9.5. And then the stuff with the, like, the multicolored pie charts, so the monochrome pie charts, or tops of umbrellas, whatever you want to call them, colour wheels. I've cut that. They are 1/2-inch strips that are 9 3/4 long, and then the black and white text paper, they are 1/4-inch strips that are 10 inches long. So I've not, RGB'd it or rainbowed it or anything like that. I've not done them in the same order each time. I wanted it to be as random as you can get with this number of strips. So just make sure it's not 2 of the same colour next to each other. And I've done that there. I changed my mind a few times on the alphas with this, so it's a really long title. It was going to be from Warrington to Wales, and I thought, well, Warrington's a town, Wales is a country, so we'd go from Warrington to Mostyn, and then I add the extra bits in, breakfast in and lunch in, but I do come back in 2 on the alphas because I can't get, so I have 2 lots of this black and white that I'm using for Warrington, which is my hometown, and I didn't have an A, so I upside down a V, and then I didn't have a T. So I've then changed completely and gone to these alphas as well. So these are Vicky Boutin. I can't remember what collection these are from. I've got about 4 sets of these because I just love them, because they are designed to take colour and lots of different mediums, and you can do all sorts of these. I then haven't got a T to do 2 in the same alphas that I did the from in, so I've changed the 2 for the second part of the title. And then because Warrington and Mostyn are the same alpha stickers, I've changed the from and the 2 to be the same, so I've gone with those light blue ones, and then I've got the Paige Evans mini foam ones for breakfast in and lunch in. Again, gone to sort my computer out and forgot to hit play again when I come back. So you'll see down the right, I've added some of the paper repack that I have put into the embellishments from this. So we've got lots of different like floral clusters that I've just cut in half and spread out along it. And then I've got two of the heart washi stickers in orange, and then the red striped one. Red, it's not stripes, more of a hash, isn't it? I do start by, with the washi stickers, sticking them onto a white piece of cardstock, cutting round them, and then gluing them down. I think I do that with the two orange hearts and half of the yellow flower cluster. I give up after that and I just add the glue to the backing paper for the washi, and fingers crossed they don't start coming away and I end up in some point in the future having to glue the washi part down onto cardstock and stick back over. So let's hope not. I mean, some of the some of the clusters are like thin paper. You're getting papery, so they're not washi stickers. But with the washi stickers, I didn't want them to have that more transparent look than you get with the backing on. So that's why I've either stuck them to the white cardstock and then stuck the cardstock down, or stuck them to just, glued down the backing sheet and hope they don't come off the backing sheet. So there is a playlist for how to kill a kit with style, so please check out the others taking part in this month. So for the first quarter of the year, the focus is using your oldest stash, and then for January specifically, it's for using alphas. So I got lots of alphas out for this kit, and I have used, as you can see, 3 different sets of alphas on this page. I'm probably going to start using this kit more through the rest of the month as well, not just for my Wednesday how to kill a kit videos. So you may see this coming up more from this kit. You see there that I've got the leaves on that floral cluster, that floral cluster sticking out, not being contained within the white space of my page. I've just peeled up and moved that in so it's all contained within the white box, it's 11.5 inch square, by the way, the white piece. I can't remember if I said that I took half an inch off top and side on that to make it 11.5 inch square. So coming to stick down the alphas, I faff so much on trying to get them central on the strips. So sort of central between the orange end of the orange strip in the photo, faff a lot, and I just cut all that out because I spent a lot of time at it. I am using Jane Davenport mermaid markers to colour in these words. These mermaid markers are amazing. I've hardly used them, and I've had them for a very long time. They, you're not specifically designed to just colour in like this. They're amazing for loads of different like watercolour techniques. It's just that I thought this colour, this orange, was lovely and vibrant and went so well with the orange from the papers that I've used, that and basically they are at arm's reach. They are on my desk to try and make me use them. Like I said, I had them for years. I think it's by 2017 maybe. Might be 2018. It's a go day away that they did in in Warrington years ago, and Hey Little Magpie had the shop there, and yeah, I bought these markers then, so I've had them for a very long time. Anybody who was there that weekend, it was the first Hey Dot weekend they did, not the second. It was where it was 2 days rather than a full go getaway weekend. Anybody who's there remembers when that was. Give me a reminder in the comments. I think it's 2017, 2018, something like that. But yeah, I've had them forever. Hardly use them. Okay, so just moving on now to sticking the next bit of the title. I've left this in because I've moved this. And this is the faffy bit that I do leave in. I move this about so much to get to try and get it central so that it just, looks like it lines up with the rest of it. I usually do my titles so they're all justified to the edge of the photo. So in this case, they would have all been right hand justified. But no, I decided I'm going down the middle with this one. You'll see from wiping up on my mat how much it took to get this ink up. As I say, it's water based, so it's great for water techniques. It's just so much pigment in it. So halfway through doing that I thought this is the wrong green. So that M's gone, and I've changed greens to this more like limey, citrusy kind of green. Brighter probably is a better word, which is a lot better with the green that's in the papers from my kit. And we are going to stick the Mostyn down now. So this is Mostyn in North Wales. It's on the old road. So before they built the bypass and the big dual carriageway, we used to go to my uncle's in on Anglesey every year. This is the old coast road that we used to go down, and it goes like through Real and Prestatyn and Abergele, and Conway to get to Anglesey. And well, sometimes we'd have to ask my dad to go the coast road because we just really loved the bends and the hills. So yeah. Anyway, I didn't realise we were so close to the end of the video there. I was talking about childhood holidays. Look, I've had a journaling already. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the playlist. A link is in the comments. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.